July 2024 will forever remain a turning point in our nation's history. The students who gave their lives were not just protesters. They were warriors of truth, voices of justice. Today, we remember them not with tears but with pride.
This is Orin from Solving English. We will never forget, we will never forgive.
My name is Alvi. July 2024, we neither forget.
July is no longer just a date, it's a revolution.
Assalamualaikum, this is Jisan. July 2024, we will never forget.
This is Seth from Solving English. From grief we gather strength.
My name is Azir from Solving English. July 2024, we will never forget.
This is Muskan from Solving English. You live not in our eyes but in our hearts.
My name is Wasi. I am from Solving English. July 2024, we will never forget.
This is Arya from Solving English. Salute to the student martyrs.
This is Sai from Solving English. July 2024, we will never forget.
This is Farhana from Solving English. The dates the truth could lie.
This is Taiba from Solving English. July 2024, we will never forget. Hello, this is Sas from Solving English. July 2024, we will never forget. Hello, this is Mr. from Solving English. July 2024, we will never forget.
This is Manisha from Solving English. July 2024, we will never forget.
This is Aramtullah. July 2024, we will never forget.
Welcome to Solving English. July 2024, we will never forget.
They are Abian from Solve English. July 2024, we will never forget.